What's up, guys? It's Mike with Blackstone Shooting Sports, and I am here with Jordan at the Q booth. And we're talking about one of the most talked about things today, the Lunchbox.
This is our new entry into a line we're calling the exotics line here at Q. So I kind of call it all the weird stuff that eventually makes its way out of the prototype. This is just testing how far we can go, short barrel, long silencer, like the ultimate lightweight, quietest thing, take a 200 yard subsonic shot, 4-inch barrel, max silencer. Like this thing fits in a little bag, super quiet, super lightweight. We're making 100 of these. We did a pretty cool application. So guys filled an app for us, and they wrote what they like about Q, how many guns they had, and we picked 100 people. So
That's awesome, man. It reminds me of like the original minifix, but it's just way cooler now.
shrunken. Yeah.
And just way cooler. Yeah. Cool. Guys, maybe you were one of the lucky 100 ones. Maybe you weren't. If you weren't, sucks to be you.